Hello children, welcome to the Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss in the part of assignment number 27, 6th class chemistry. Our topic is atoms and its classification of elements. In this assignment total we have 5 questions. Now let us discuss one by one. Our first question is the electronic configuration of calcium is. Okay, actually the calcium atomic number is 20. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. This is the electronic configuration of calcium atom. See here in this first shell 2 electrons, in the second shell 8 electrons, next in the third shell also 8 electrons, in the fourth shell 2 electrons, 2, 8, 8, 2. So, what is the answer here? Fourth option, 2, 8, 8, 2 is the electronic configuration of calcium. Next, second question. The increasing order of energy of the orbitals 1s, 2s, 2p. Okay, the increasing order of energy of the orbital 1s, 2s and 2p. Okay, how can you say the increasing order of these orbitals? Based on n plus l rule we can say n plus l rule. Okay, here 1s, here this number 1 indicates shell number. Okay, this is the s orbital. Okay, s, p, d and f. Okay, for this l values 0, 1, 2 and 3. See here n is equal to 1 plus for s l value 0, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Next 2s, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Next 2p, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, electrons entered into various atomic orbitals according to n plus l rule. Okay, so the least n plus l value, the electron which is entered into least n plus l value of orbital. Okay, least n plus l value is here 1 and next to 2 and next 3. So here 1s, the energy of 1s is less than 2s and the energy of 2s is less than 2p. So here answer is third option. Next, come to the third question. According to Aufbau principle, the 19th electron in an atom goes into the, according to Aufbau principle. Okay, what is the meaning of Aufbau principle? In German language, Aufbau means building up or construction. Okay, see here they have mentioned about 19th electron. You know one thing, that is the number of electrons. The number of electrons indicates that atomic number. Clearly we can say that atomic number indicates that number of electrons or number of protons. Here they have given 19th electron. 19th electron means the atomic number is 19. Okay, with atomic number 19, what is the element? That is potassium. Okay, so can you write the electronic configuration? Yes, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. This is the electronic configuration of potassium atom. Okay, see here in this, according to Aufbau principle, the 19th electron in an atom goes into the 19th electron. Okay, see here it is the 19th electron. 19th electron entered into which orbital? 4s orbital. Okay, so the answer is here first option. Next, fourth question. The order of filling various sublevels with electrons is the order of their energies. This is, okay, what is this called? This principle? Aufbau principle. Okay, the order of filling various sublevels with electrons in the order of their energies. This is called Aufbau principle. Okay, actually in German language, Aufbau means building up or construction. Okay, the electrons, the first electron entered into least energy level. Okay, first least energy level, gradually the electrons will enter into higher energy level. So here the answer is first option, that is Aufbau principle. According to Aufbau principle, electrons entered into, the first electron entered into least energy level. Okay, next fifth question. An atom A has the mass number 40 and the atomic number 18. What is the electronic configuration of A? Okay, see here they have mentioned about atomic number 18. So what is that element? Argon. With atomic number 18, what is the element? Argon. Its mass number they have given 40. Okay, so what is the electronic configuration of argon? Yes, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. This is the electronic configuration of argon. Yes, in the first shell 2 electrons, second shell 8 electrons, third shell 8 electrons, 2, 8, 8. See here it is the second option. Okay, thank you.